Happy Sunday! Hindi pa rin ako guys makaget over sa concert ni Neo. Ang saya-saya ng concert ni Neo kagabi. And kaya tayo nakapanood ng concert ni Neo. Itong si Mers, 3 days after namin makabalik ata ng Bali. Basta wala pa kami 1 week dito. Wala pa kami 1 week after na makabalik ng Bali. Nag-text si Mers, nagtanong ko nandito na ako. Sabi ko, oo, nandito. Sabi niya, Manay, may concert dito si Neo sa Adelaide. Sabi ko, kaya lang sabi September. Sabi ko, sige, book mo na yan. So, ito naman si Mers, sure ka. Sabi ko, oo, fishing season, diba? Pero, linakasan ko talaga yung loob ko na sabi ko, sige, book mo yan. Kahit hindi pa ako nagpapaalam. At ito si Mers, Manay, nakabook na tayo, nagpaalam ka na ba? Sabi ko, hindi pa. Sabi ko, kailan ka magpapaalam? Sabi ko, basta, hindi mo na ako magpapaalam. Kasi nga, hindi ko rin alam kung papayagan ako. Kasi una-una, fishing season. Tapos, may pasok yung mga bata. Tapos, sabi naman ni Marcel, Manay, Saturday to. Tapos sabi ko, oh, sige. Tapos, nagtingin ako ng ticket ng plane. Tapos, sabi ko, baka, pag nakapabook ako ng plane, hindi ako payagan ni Jan. Sabi ko, masasayang yung ticket. So, hindi muna ako nag-book. So, fast forward, nakailang weeks na, nagtatanong si Mers kung nagpaalam. Sabi ko, hindi pa. Sabi ko, magpapaalam ako mga 2 days bago ang concert ni Neo. So, nung last week ako nagpaalam, mga Wednesday ata yun, or Tuesday. Nagpaalam ako kay Jen. Sabi ko, punta ako ng concert ni Neo. Sabi niya, get real. Sabi niya, paano, may trabaho ako, tapos yung mga bata. Sabi ko, Saturday naman, babe. Tapos, so, iniwan niya ako. So, hindi siya wala siya. Sabi niya, bahala daw ako. Tapos, inayaya ko siya kasi sabi ko, punta na rin natin si Liz, baka mga anak yun. Sabi niya, busy si Jan, diba? May fishing na nga siya. Tapos, sabi niya sa akin, so, hindi niya pa rin. So, hinag-hoping ako na sana sasama si Jan. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, paano ka pupunta doon? Sabi ko, magbabas ako. Sabi niya, are you sure? Sabi ko, oo. Paano? Sabi niya kung paano. Sabi ko, pwede ako mag-book kasi nagtingin na rin ako ng bus. Tapos merong bus na papuntang Adelaide. So, nung Thursday, nagpabook ako. Etong Thursday lang, nagpabook ako ng ticket pa bus. Kasi sabi ko, kung hindi niya ako payagan, at least, hindi ganun kamal yung ticket na babayarang, na masasayang. Kasi magbabas lang. So, nung sinabi ko sa kanya, nakapabook na ako ng bus, ganyan. Sabi niya, okay, na ganun lang siya. Tapos, Friday, nagkita kami nila Auntie Mel. Kasi, award ng puti ng mga bata. Sinabi ko kay Auntie Mel, Auntie Mel, I'm going to Adelaide on Friday. So, sabi niya, I'm going to Adelaide. Tapos nagtingin kami ni Jan. Sabi niya, ay, sabi ko, sorry, nakapagpabook na ako ng ticket. Sabi ko, what are you gonna do in Adelaide? Sabi ko, I'm gonna watch Neo. Sabi niya, sana sumama ka na lang sa akin kasi alis din kami ng Friday. Tapos sabi ko, kasi pinabook ko, round trip na sa bus. So, ngayon yung alis ko sa bus din. Tapos sabi ng Mel, o sumama ka na lang sa akin pabalik. Sabi ko, sige. Kaya ngayon, hinihintay ko rin si Auntie Mel na tawagan ako para sabay na lang ako sa kanya pa-uwi. Kasi yung bus ko, ang alis kaninang umaga pa 8:30. So, hindi na ako magbabas. Kaya, ngayon, sasama tayo kay Auntie Mel. So, hinihintay ko lang si Auntie Mel. Tapos sabi ni Auntie Mel sa akin nung tinawagan ko siya, lunch daw, mga after lunch. So, kaya, yun, magmi-meet na lang kami somewhere. Tapos, si Mers, yun, nakiparty muna siya. So, tamang-tama. Mahatid niya ako. Kasi malapit lang dito. Si Auntie Mel pala kaya nandito siya kasi si Brad nakabili na ng bahay. Namatay yung camera. And kaya rin pala nandito si Auntie Mel sa Adelaide. Kasi si Brad nakabili na ng bahay dito sa Adelaide. So, tinutulungan nila si Brad maglipat. Yung guys, so hintayin ko lang si Auntie Mel kasi nga sasabay na ako sa kanya. So, hindi tayo magbabas. And yung bus, guys, ang tagal pala ng... Hindi naman matagal. Marami lang stops kasi nagpipick up ng tao. So, hindi dire-diretso. Instead na 5 hours, parang 7 hours yung Pag may dala kang sasakyan, papuntang Adelaide, galing sa amin is 5 hours. Pardon. Then, sa bus naman, 7.5. Kasi nga, sa stop, tapos kakain pa ng lunch, tapos may inistapan ulit kami para bumili ng tubig, yung mga tao. So, ganun. Pero okay lang naman. Malamig lang. Kasi parang hindi nila inon yung heater. Buti na lang naka-double, etong jacket, tsaka yung denim. So, yun. At least, na-experience din natin mag-bus. First time ko mag-bus ng ganung kalayo. Nakapag-bus na rin ako. Kasama ko si Reyes dito sa city. Pero from dun sa amin papunta dito, never pa talaga ako nakapag-bus. So, first time natin yun. So, maganda yung experience natin ng mga unplanned. So, yun guys. Hintayin ko na lang si Auntie Mel and si Merce. Then, alis na tayo. And, nilabas ko yung cannoli. Kasi, itatry natin tong cannoli, guys. Ayan. Yan yung mini cannoli. Pistachio yata to. Sarap. Why? Yeah. Most of it. Ha? Hi! Dito na kami guys. Sinundo na ako ng aking mga anak. Hi. Hi, I miss you. I miss you. Where's my boy? Ay, come on. I miss you.
Are you hungry, Mom?
Yeah. Ay, my husband. You miss me? Bye-bye. Miss you. I'm back with my family. Yeah! Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina guys kasi nakatulog ako sa car ni Auntie Mel and si Jan.
We went for tea last night with Nana and all that.
Ah, did you?
Yeah.
How is it? Good?
Good, but close that
Malulobat na naman to. Nagpa-flashing na naman siya. Nag-text siya sa akin, hindi ako nakasagot. I-insert ko yung text niya. Kasi tulog nga ako. So, si Auntie Mal nag-text sa kanya, natulog ako. Tapos sabi, 5:30 ako pipick upin. So, yeah, I'm back. Did you miss Mommy?
Yes.
How about you, Ya? How about you, Zach?
Yeah.
How about you, love? No.
I miss you the most.
Oh,
yeah,
thank you.
I played
And you had what?
Close that hat.
Sleepwalking.
Nah, it's like talk.
Sleep talking. What did you say?
Dad's like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm just grabbing down a sticker. I didn't even know where I was going to get the sticker to.
Yeah, tulog siya tapos nagsasalita. Tapos tinanong niya dyan, sinagot siya.
That's you, Dad?
What's that?
Magki-KFC daw kami for dinner.
And my
Makas? Nagpalit ako ng battery.
Large chips.
Yeah, large chips only, hun, please. Thank you.
Hey, how can I take your order? Yeah, is that all for tonight?
And 6 nuggets barbecue sauce, thanks.
6 nuggets barbecue sauce, is that all?
Grab an extra large chips.
Yeah, is that all?
That's all, thanks. 2
Hey.
chips, nuggets.
Okay.
Dad, what drink should we get?
Then next KFC for the kids. Nagpila tayo
It's
dito.
not even a lineup. It's just that
Yeah,
guy's
it's not
taking
so
room.
bad.
Yeah, it's alright.
Barbecue sauce. Yeah, you got barbecue sauce, yep. Ollie. No worries.
Thank you. This is mine. Maxi popcorn
No,
chicken.
there is barbecue sauce.
What are you having, Kuya?
Yeah, Dad, it's not. Because I'm lads.
Chicken tender?
He had lots of names in his hand.
How about you, Holly? What are you having?
Just chicken tender.
Lahat sila.
You get 5 nuggets.
Lahat sila chicken tender tapos may nuggets. Okay, it's hot.
No.
Like this big.
Meron din pala silang popcorn chicken. Sa akin kasi large. And then chicken tender. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, that's yum.
I can give you one actually.
It's alright, bye-bye. Have here.
And then the fries.
The
Do you
fries.
want aioli sauce?
Oh, you got lots. Big
And mashed
fries. Mashed potato? We're home! Ayan. Ako naubos ko na yung kinain ko. Pero hindi ko naubos pala. May tira pa. Oh, we got wood.
Yeah.
Who washed the clothes? Oh, you did that too? Where daddy get the wood from?
Just have that wood.
Oh, dad. Oh, may wood na ulit kami. Oh, naglaba raw sila. Good boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Naglaba sila. What did you do, Kuya?
I dusted the thing.
Oh, yung mga frames.
From Wendy's.
Yeah. Nagdusted daw dyan si Kuya, oh. Yung mga alikabok.
Bottles.
Ayan, naglaba sila and sinampay. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Sa paglinis ng bahay. Meron ako sa kanyang pasalubong, ayan. Krispy Kreme.
Can you pick that up, please?
Yeah, I just had some.
Okay, this is gift from Aunt Tita Mers. What you gonna say to Tita Mers?
Thank you, Namiss. Wait, are these?
Do I get anything?
No, wait.
Okay.
You? No, I did not. gustong gusto.
Did I get anything?
Gustong gusto niyang ganyang pants.
Mom. Do I get anything?
Can you? Is
Yeah.
it perfect size?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And gustong gusto niya yan. Thank you, Aunt Tita Mer.
Around the red slider. Mom. Don't chop this, okay?
Good job. And this is for mommy.
Oh.
Whatever, Holly.
So yeah. Okay.
Have I said, please? What?
So cute, Mom. This can do control.
Yes.
Pink, but it's not pink.
Yes. Meron pa ako in-order sa kanya. Hindi pa kasi dumarating din eh.
And then the black
I
one.
want you to try the pants.
Okay.
Just, it's alright. Don't take your leggings off. Oh, lucky you. Yan kasi yung request niya sa akin. Eh, wala akong mabilhan dito. Tapos tinanong ako ni Mers, ano daw pwede niyang kunin. Kaya sabi ko, kung makalap siya ng pants na, is it fit you, Baba?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not tight? Kasi size 6 yan eh. That size 6 because the size 8 was big. Is it right? Huh? Try the
Put your singlet on.
singlet. And kay Kuya meron din ako sa
Alright,
kanya binili. Surprise ko sa kanya. So mamaya ibibigay din natin yung regalo ko sa kanya. Miss. Oh! Ang ganda, para siyang luwebe. Wow, I like it. What you gonna say to Tita Mers?
Thank you. And Mom. Thanks.
No, you love it. How about you, yeah?
Get nothing yet.
Oh. Okay, here, happy birthday.
Oh, whatever, you got a party sauce.
Happy birthday to you. Binalang ko siya ng AirPods.
Thank you. Mom. Thanks.
You're
They
welcome.
rip off ones, right?
Oh. Huh?
They rip off ones.
You did.
What are they new ones?
Yeah, you missed that.
Ah, I got him the original, okay?
They're not fake anymore, aren't
Kasi bumili siya ng imitation sa Bali, pero one day lang, hindi na gumana. So sabi ko, gusto ni Kuya ng AirPods. Hoy, let Kuya TJ open it.
Thanks, Mom.
We got nothing, Jack.
I like this so much.
Yeah, no, exactly.
That's Tita Mers. That's from Tita Mers.
Yeah, and then we got me
No, we got
the
nothing this week.
skirt
Yeah, so,
Yeah, it's so
and the
good.
pink version. And the black.
yeah. Oh, Kuya, open it, yeah. Oh.
Hey.
Thanks, Mom.
And Tita Mers.
And to the most. Mwah.
That's nice, Baba.
Yeah, everything's dressed up like that.
How much were they, Mum?
Why? Are you gonna pay me?
No, how much? People say that
200 plus?
What?
289? What's that?
What's your
Nana gave this to Ollie.
Oh, Nana. What's?
Yeah, and that
Oh.
big pineapple thing.
Let me see. What's inside?
There's just nothing. She just gave it.
Oh, it's just the.
What?
Yeah,
Is there a charger? Or?
Yeah.
yeah, you're gonna charge it.
Yeah. Just don't lose them.
Yeah, I don't have a thing to.
I'll plug it.
Yeah, that one.
You can just plug
this
it there.
same as
When
your
you go to
phone.
school, just charge them up.
Just make sure you don't lose it.
Probably lose him like he lost his fake ones.
No, it doesn't
I
work.
lost him because they didn't work.
Yeah. Are you happy, yeah?
I'm happy, of course.
Finally got some. You get
Hi.
everything, mate.
Kuya!
It's your birthday every day. You got footy boots and all that this year.
That's right. Binilang pala yun ng bagong foodie boots.
Get everything.
I want to wear this.
Happy, yeah?
What's this come
It's-
off, does it?
Yeah, yeah. Remove that one.
Then I got these back pockets.
Oh,
There's so
Mom,
much
Mom.
pockets.
Ang happy-happy nito sa kanya. Yan talaga ang gusto niya. Kasi di ba nag-hip-hop siya.
Yeah, can I?
What?
Wait, if I do hip hop, can I wear this?
Yote mo. Tingnan niyo siya. Kinakat niya na yung mga tags. Oh, lucky girl.
I love this one.
Yeah. May mga in-order ako sa kanya mga ganyan na jeans na parang hip-hop. Kasi nga, di ba, nakikita niyo sa mga dance niya. Gustong-gusto niya yung mga parang swag look. Ganon. So, hindi pa dumating. Hopefully, dumating na. So, we will end the vlog. Okay, close ko ng vlog. Tulog ako ng maaga kasi ilang araw na akong parang late na tutulog. Pero super saya ng short getaway ko. Again, thank you, Merce and Ben.
Yeah,
and the
thanks,
fam.
Mom,
And thanks, Mom.
for my toys.
And-
Because you bought me some.
Yeah.
And thank you to the math.
Yeah, thank you, guys. And yeah, thank you, guys. Please like,
And please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Good night. And school holiday na nila
Yeah.
for 2
2
weeks.
days.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. School holiday for
Ah.
2 weeks. And siya, may dancing pa rin siya. May
What
schedule.
days
Yeah, you have
tomorrow?
schedule. Not tomorrow. Different days. So, yeah, kahit holiday, may practice pa sila kasi malapit na yung concert nila. So,
When's my concert?
soon. Yun na, guys. Thank you.
Please like, please
We
share.
did already.
Oh yeah.
And finally, may fire na ulit kami kasi
Yeah.
naubusan ko yung before.
Because in the morning my dad found some sticks and cut it up.
Yeah, nakakuha si dyan ng ibang wood. So,
All
kinat niya.
morning.
All morning. Did you help Daddy?
I was
No.
still asleep. I woke up at 8 o'clock.
Oh, alright. Okay, guys. Thank you. Maligo ako sa yung buko.
Bye! I was
tingnan
about
niyo.
to say please like me
Okay,
again.
bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I